Welcome everyone to the Taglog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Taglog, I will be showing you how to download and install the Roblox application on your mobile device. To begin the process, you need to open the Google Play Store. Then on the search bar, you type in Roblox. Tap on search. There's the Roblox application on the top. Tap on install and wait for the application to be fully downloaded first. This process is particularly for the Android users. If you are using an iOS device, you will need to go to the App Store for the download. You can open the App Store on your iOS device, and from there you can search for the Roblox application and tap the Get icon, which will download the Roblox application on your iOS device as well. You can see the downloading process of Roblox is completed. Now you just tap on play and this will open the application on your mobile device right away. So this is how you can download the Roblox application. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.